Welcome to an essential guide on personal finance, budgeting, and cash management. Mastering these skills is crucial for your financial stability and future success. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability, helping you plan how to spend your money to meet both short-term needs and long-term goals. The main objectives of a budget are to understand your income and expenses, control over spending, prioritize savings, and prepare for unexpected costs. Consider a student earning $1,000 monthly from a part-time job. After expenses like rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment, $200 can be directed towards savings and debt repayment. A highly recommended resource for personal budgeting guides is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. A simple yet effective method is the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your after-tax income into three categories. 50% goes to needs like housing and food, 30% to wants such as entertainment, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. For example, if your monthly after-tax income is $2,500, $1,250 would be for needs, $750 for wants, and $500 for savings or debt. This structure encourages consistent saving habits and responsible spending, forming a strong financial foundation. Creating a realistic budget requires listing all income sources, tracking every expense for at least a month, and categorizing spending. Then, identify areas for adjustment. For instance, cutting a $120 monthly coffee habit in half frees up $60 for savings. The FreeMint app is an excellent tool for budgeting and expense tracking, helping you visualize your spending. Managing variable expenses, like utilities or fuel, is key. Use a monthly average and add a small cushion, perhaps 10%, to prepare for fluctuations. For example, if utilities average $80 but can reach $100, budgeting $90 helps you stay prepared. Budgetworksheets.org offers customizable budgeting templates to help you get started. Building a savings habit means treating savings as a fixed monthly expense, not an afterthought. Automate transfers to a savings account each payday. Save windfalls like tax refunds and start small. Even $25 per paycheck adds up significantly. Saving $50 biweekly can result in $1,300 after just 1 year without even considering interest. Emergency fund planning is vital for financial security when unexpected expenses arise. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in your emergency fund, which could be $3,000 to $6,000 or more. Even starting with $500 builds confidence and resilience, so begin where you can. Cash management involves efficiently handling day-to-day liquidity to meet short-term obligations and optimize savings potential. Key strategies include keeping your checking account balanced for bills, transferring surplus funds to high-yield savings accounts, and using credit cards responsibly to build credit. For example, keeping $1,000 in checking for bills and moving any amount above that into a 4% high-yield savings account maximizes your money. Technology simplifies budgeting. Popular tools include You Need a Budget or YNAB, Mint, and EveryDollar. Avoid common budgeting mistakes like ignoring small recurring expenses or not tracking irregular income. Also, remember to include savings as an expense and don't give up after just 1 month of overspending. Instead, review and adjust your budget monthly. MoneyUnder30.com offers great guides for young adults on budgeting and saving. Budgeting and cash management are lifelong skills that form the foundation of financial success. Consistency, awareness, and regular review are key. Create a flexible, goal-oriented budget, automate savings, use tools to track progress, and review regularly for small improvements. We encourage you to create a 1-month personal budget using the 50-30-20 rule and track your results.